Often, refinishing a door requires you to leave it off the hinges overnight. To secure the opening, cut 2 pieces of plywood to the dimension of the frame surrounding the door. One will go on the inside, the other on the outside. So you don't have to drive screws into the door frame, stack the 2 plywood pieces together and drill holes through them both, one near the top and one near the bottom. Once you have a piece on the inside and one on the outside, bend a piece of tie wire in half so it's about a foot long or so. Fish one of these through each hole. On the loop end, have someone slide a short piece of pipe or metal bar through the loop. While someone holds the outside bar in place, twist the inside bar so the wire between the two is also twisted. As it twists, it will become shorter, pulling the 2 pieces of plywood together and securing the opening until you can replace the refinished door. Does that feel tight to you?
Yeah, it seems tight.
You like it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Okay.
All right.